In this tutorial, you will learn how to delete your WordPress account or blog quickly and efficiently. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress by entering its domain name. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, locate the login option situated in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This action will lead you to the sign in page where you are given several options to access your account. After you reach the login interface, you will notice a button that allows you to continue using your Google account. Click on the Continue with Google option. This method streamlines the login process by using your existing Google credentials, so if you have already logged into your Google account, it will be an even smoother experience. With that in mind, choose the Google account that you normally use with WordPress. This confirms your identity and takes you directly to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will see the WordPress icon prominently located in the top left corner of the page. Clicking on this icon is essential because it brings you back to the main navigation area of your account where you can manage all of your sites and settings. Familiarizing yourself with this interface will prove highly beneficial as you ensure you are operating on the correct site or blog before you move forward with the deletion process. When you are in the dashboard, find the specific blog or site that you wish to delete. On the right hand side of your blog's information box, there is an icon represented by 3 dots. These dots signify additional settings and options related to the individual site. Click on the 3 dots so that you can unlock the extended menu that provides further control over your site management. Within this menu, you will see an option labeled Delete Site. Selecting this option initiates the process required to permanently remove your blog. As you progress, you will be asked to type in a required keyword as a security measure. This step exists to confirm your intent, ensuring that accidental deletions do not occur by mistake. It is very important to type the keyword exactly as it appears on the screen. After you have carefully entered the required keyword, proceed by clicking on the Delete Site button. At this point, the system acknowledges your decision and begins to carry out the deletion process. Remember that this action is irreversible, so make sure you have backed up any important content or data before finalizing this step. Following these instructions will allow you to delete your WordPress account or blog in a matter of minutes, ensuring that you maintain complete control over your online presence. This straightforward process provides a secure and efficient way to remove your site when it is no longer needed.